Gonna keep that vibe. Rubber side down.
You in there, ladies and gents? How's it going? I'm out on the new Beta. Out on the new Beta. I'm out with my mate Gav. He's on a little KTM 300 two-stroke, which is quite new to him, and we're going to hit some lanes. We forgot to bring our mapping devices, or at least programming our mapping devices, so we're probably going to be doing a few lanes, rinse and repeat, but a good excuse to get a little bit of practice out on this bike, get used to it a little bit more, get happy with it, get comfortable on it. And what a day, eh? It's beautiful, a great day to get out in the wilds. I think this is that deep one, but it wasn't too bad last time I was here. Not too bad, but I'm just rubbish. It's all drained away quite well now, but the 4x4s have really made a mess of everything. Those of you that follow me on Insta, by the way, those of you who don't forget to follow me on Insta, would have seen that I've got some bits on order for this already. I've started on the buyings. And yeah, I've got some stegs pegs, or steg pegs, whatever they're pronounced. And I'm hoping to get them fitted this week and get them tested, see how I find them. Lots of people have said that they're fantastic, so I'm really looking forward to finding out. So yeah, what a day, what a day, what a day. I'm actually out with my Insta361R down there, and I'm just putting some films together for a review of that I'm doing, which will be either out already or coming out very soon. So with 360 cameras are your thing, keep an eye out for that. Oh yeah, this is awesome. So fantastic to get out on the bike. I'm not going to go on about this corona bollocks. But we're fortunate to have a hobby that's relatively safe for it. Sadly, Mr. Fish's boss, the beginning of season motovlogger meetup, has had to be cancelled, and I think that's wise because the majority of that is actually off bike in a group hanging around, and to be honest, by the time we get to those dates the government will have changed to a lockdown situation, I imagine, anyway, so it makes sense to cancel it now rather than later on and have people have to really cancel plans. All this water's sunk away quite nicely now. I really need to adjust that clutch lever in a bit because the span on it is just a little bit too much for my little dinky fingers. Oh man, this bike is so much better and more capable than my little Beta Alp, and that was perfectly capable for my style of riding, or my ability of riding more like. Oh, this is lovely, 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 lovely. Jumping for joy. Oh, it's like riding a blooming mountain bike compared to a motorbike. Brilliant. It does take a little bit more concentration though, just because on the Alp my throttle wasn't ever scary, whereas on this the bike will go out from underneath me, it will bugger off into the sunset if I twist that throttle too much. I'm just not used to it. It's as much on the clutch, the control and the go of this bike, as it is on the throttle. Oh yeah. Yeah, all the water's draining right away now. That's brilliant. Really good to see. All the water is drained away, yes. Oh, what a nugget. What a nugget indeed. This coronavirus is supposed to cause shortness of breath. You haven't tried off-roading, Corona? Oh, I'm already pulling too hard on my wrists, or having the bike pull me too hard on my wrists. Must learn to relax and get my body position right. It will be so much easier, as I found over and over again on the Beta. Getting your body position right is a must. Alright, what we got here? This is quite churned up. We're alright. Yeah, we're alright. Oh yeah. I'm sorry if you're covered in water. It's kind of a hands-on job, this. Bloody fly tippers, you disgusting urchins. So this, my friends, is the infamous Chalk Hill. And although it looks lovely and dry today, I bet you the track is pretty wet. And chalk, and me, and motorbikes, we're a scary combination of lack of skill and lots of slip. So I'm hoping this will go well, but no doubt for your entertainment, it won't. Now, Pezza always says, just chug it up here, and that's what I'm going to try and do. I've got plenty of grip from my tyres, but I haven't let the pressures down, so I might struggle a little bit. And I haven't done this for quite a while on this hill, so who knows how it's going to go. Now I imagine Gav is just going to scoot past me, because he's a little bit more nifty than I am. And it does mean if he falls off, I'll see. Although he's going so much faster than me, I probably won't. He doesn't like the chalk hill either, but he's got a little bit more skill on a bike than I have. And I'm in the rut, which is exactly where I didn't want to be. And I'll get out of it. Yeah. Here, I hope. All in the clutch, all in the clutch. I've got my weight right on the back wheel, and just letting that clutch guide me up here. Just about at the hardest bit here now. And this bike is chugging its way up here, no problem at all. I'm trying to maintain a middle foot position, if that makes sense. Sort of using the arches of my feet on the pegs as opposed to the balls of my feet, which is odd. I don't know whether that's right or not. Someone can maybe comment it down below whether that's what I should be doing with my feet. But I read somewhere recently that I shouldn't be on the balls of my feet off-road, which is quite alien because that's exactly what I want when I'm on road, on tarmac, on track and stuff. So yeah, if you know any better, please let me know. Where should my feet be in relation to my foot pegs? Front, back or middle? I went out today, I just wore my motocross gloves, or the Enduro gloves, whatever you call them. I didn't bother with my road gloves, my tarmac winter gloves or anything. Oh, a big stick in the face. Yeah, it was so nice, and I don't regret it at all, because it's gorgeous. I wouldn't say we're on 100% summer gloving weather yet. But we're getting there. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. Now one of these here is a deeperoo. I think it's this one here, or it was last time I was here, so... Ah, nothing, it's nothing! Ah, this might be the one. Who knows? But we got through it fine and dandy. Oh yeah, this is awesome. This is really, really awesome. Yep, that's the wet one. I seem to recall on my first ride of this bike, some of this was a little bit sticky along here. stones don't help because they bounce you around, but I'm pretty sure it gets pretty cracky in a bit. We should find out. Yep, cracky. Should we go Rikers? Grab a brew? I'm really feeling like I'm gelling with this bike. Now I know I'm not doing any super enduro or anything. But definitely having super fun. Right, this is chalky, but going up Chalk Hill today wasn't too bad, so I'm hoping that going down here won't be too bad either. Don't really want to be in the rut. I don't like riding the ruts. Oh, he's off, he's gone, he's vanished. Sort of shows what having a little bit of confidence has in the machine between your legs. That scared me. Oh, this isn't any better than there. Get out of all the ruts. Go this side. Oh, and now we're going back into it, you silly sausage. Come on, stay over here. And don't let the bike roll away from you. You know what you're saying about don't let the bike roll away from you? That's exactly what you're doing, you nugget. Loads of grip though, loads of grip. That's all on the front brake that is, which is really bad juju. I know, but damn it. Let's go down a gear and we won't roll quite so fast. Ooh, that was a struggle, that was a struggle. The struggle was real. I do like the sound of this bike. It's a little bit more throaty than my Alp 4.0 was. Oh, this bike is loving it. It's loving it, loving it, loving it. So am I. I'd forgotten what the sunshine and beautiful days felt like, you know. This makes everything perfect. Everything better. What is not to love, hey? What is... what is not to love? This bike is fantastic. It really, really is. It's just lapping all this up. And I'm not saying it's all difficult stuff or anything like that. It's not at all. But it finds it so much easier than my little Alp would. This is a lovely little trail along here. It's a really nice surface. And really nice and flowing when you're not an idiot. Struggling with the sunshine though. Even with the peak, it's got gaps in the peak, and yeah. Well, this is a tree down. Yeah, I'm really struggling with the sunshine, causing me some snags. Ah, bollocks. Ah, that had to happen, didn't it? It had to happen. Okay, so first little run in with the ground. I remember the first time I did that on my Alp, I was like, woohoo, I'm amazing. On this it's like, yeah, alright. It's a fun little trail, this one. I don't really want to end this video here, but I'm very aware that my battery is probably going to go in a minute anyway. So you got an off out of me. Anyways, if you haven't done so already, please do click that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, if you like my new bike, the Beta 390 RR 2020 bike, then give it a little thumbs up. And if you like anything you see on this video, give it a little thumbs up too. If however you don't, and you don't wanna, and you think I'm an idiot or a dick or something, feel free to give it a little thumbs down. I don't mind, it's all cool, it's all called in the school. Anyhow, whatever you do, please do drop in a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And if you ride safe, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.
You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.